how to add a promotion in LinkedIn on the same company. Now, I'll be demonstrating this on my computer, but this will also work on mobile as well. So first thing we're going to do is click on your profile icon in the top navigation and then press View Profile to head over to your profile page. You can then scroll down to your work experience and you should be able to find your current employment. Now to go and add a promotion, click on the plus icon and then select Add Position. Now go and click on Title and then type in your new job role. So let's say I've been promoted to a CEO. You can then scroll down and you can choose to select your employment type. And then for the company, you need to make sure you type in the exact company as you had before. So in my case, it's going to be Microsoft, and make sure you've selected the same company that you currently have in your experience. You can then scroll down and select End Current Position as of now. Now this will go and end your current position at the company. You can then scroll down to the start date and select when you got the promotion. You can choose to add any additional information and then just press save at the bottom of the page. Now once you've done this, you can head back over to your profile and you'll now be able to see your promotion history. So you can see I started as a test engineer and then I was promoted to an intern like this.